Today is Wednesday, July 14th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado power antenna with the limiting feature actuated by the on and off button of the radio to a limited extent of 8 to 10 inches, and then full extension and retraction with the modality switch inside the dash to whatever extended height or retraction level desired by the driver. So this is a 2-year design, and more specifically a 1-year design to 76, in that there are some slight differences between 75 and 76, just as there are differences between 73 and 74. So this is the 4-wire as opposed to the historic 2-wire configuration, and it has the limiting feature that extends it 8 to 10 inches when the radio is turned on and fully retracts it when the radio is turned off. So I'll go ahead and we'll do a functional validation test. I have the unit connected to power. And there is the limiting function, approximately 10 inches in height. And now I'll go ahead and do a retraction. And the unit fully retracts and self-parks, unlike the clicking clutch noise that is consistent with 62 to 69. In 1976, we have a limiting feature for the limited rise and full retraction, as well as a self-parking feature. So now I'll go ahead and I'll do the full extension. And here we have a full 36 inches maximum extents. And I'll go ahead and do the retraction. And the unit self-parks. So this unit has been completely restored. It's a level 10 restoration. The 6-gear movement has been fully serviced. That is the gear movement. Very precision, fine-tooth gear movement, similar to a Clockworks type of movement. So that's been serviced, as well as the winder and the motor. So this is a full level 10 restoration going to my friend Louis at Creative Works. And this will be shipping out tomorrow as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1976 Cadillac Eldorado items, and over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the power seat mechanisms, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the instrument clusters, of course these power antennas, and all of the electrical switches and other critical heart-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, July 14th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.